Hi there, thanks for tuning in. My name is Dragos and I'm the product owner of the reporting functionality here at Pentest Tools. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide to our white label functionality. The white label feature, which is available only on some of our plans, it's available under the reporting section. It allows you to add your custom logo, but also to adjust its settings to make sure it will fit just right in the reports. But that's not all. Here you can also adjust the content of the emails your clients will get. You can make use of tags to dynamically generate the subject of your emails or edit the introduction field to personalize how you address your clients. It's important to mention that the settings you perform on this page will be reflected in all types of reports and in all emails you will receive. That's all you need to know for now. Just sign up and give this functionality a spin. See you on the next one.